my god. Okay. I've been wanting to do this for a hot minute, so I'm pretty excited. We're following Trixie Mattel makeup tutorial. It starts off with moisturizing. Alright, I don't have full-blown vanity. Okay, this could go so many freaking ways. Did you ever eat glue as a kid? Glue stick? Okay, we're just gonna go in with it. I'm scared when I wipe this off. I think like this is fine. Oh my god, a piece of my eyebrow already came off. I look crazy. It dries pretty fast, I will say. This brow is not staying put. It's making me so weird. Then you gotta go with the powder. All I have is this powder. I got it from the dollar store. Cute little design on it. Translucent powder. Oh, so chalky. Can you see that? I'm just gonna... I look like a psychopath, probably. Oh god. Definitely not my color.
This is wild.
I don't have e.l.f. foundation. I have Candy Moyo. So I'm pretty sure this is not my shade. This is like the closest thing. I really hope I don't get some sort of reaction either. Oh, that's pale. So pale. It's definitely not going on good. Oh my god. I'm gonna use my finger first and then I'm gonna use this thing. Door's unlocked, so my parents can come in at any moment and just hardcore judge me. Ah, giving me uncanny valley, bro. I got this brown bronzer thingy. Let's do this light brown though. Oh, that does not look brown. Whatever. So under the eye.
I use a lot of warm browns because I like the way like a warm reddish brown to radiant. That's
So around. This thing's not even dry yet, and it's. You know what? It's working in my favor. Whatever. Oh, got some of that cheap foundation into my eyeshadow. Oops. Yeah, that works way better for now.
like Trixie makeup. I'm just gonna do the other side quick and we'll keep going.
I have to fix this. Okay, wait, hold on. Fix it like that. You know what? I gotta do both sides, not commit. Okay. I'm trying to darken this. I definitely made this part way too big. She makes like a weird wing thing. My face is not big enough for that. Use another brown. The wing thingy. I don't have the facial capacity for that. Whatever. It looks like I'm about to go through some freaking Star Wars Avatar-ish shit. This is definitely not Trixie Mattel. Let me try to recreate the other side. You know what? Might as well. If it's gonna look bad, might as well make it even. This is so hard. Like, this is literal art right here. Artistry. How do you even do that? I don't know what I'm doing, clearly. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me get the other side. This is definitely not Trixie at all. You know what? I'm just gonna hope that the rest of this looks okay.
So we did one brow.
So I need to make fake brows now. I got a brow pencil for no reason. Fake brow right here. Fake hair, fake hair.
Oh no. Ivory.
Hold on, Trixie Mattel. Hold on. Hold on. First of all, gotta blend this shit out. I don't know what's happening here. I'm gonna look. You know what? Whatever. It is what it is. No, we're just gonna use the foundation. So cut the brow.
Basically, we're adding a lighter color to the middle of your like feminizing a face.
I gotta fix this, basically.
L'Oreal Infallible. This one's admittedly a little.
Now Trixie is contouring.
On with the stick, Mary.
Okay. Oh god. Meow! Meow! Okay. Do I look scary?
Wet n Wild one is in chestnut. Look at that. This is turning out. In the nose, I really don't want
Powder. I'm gonna try to use this palette for the white instead to see if it works. If not, I'm just gonna use glitter. I don't care at this point. Somewhat working.
When you're drawing this lid on,
Lid.
Bella from Trixie Cosmetics.
I'm trying so hard.
Triangle, so when you turn your head, it's like a whoosh. It's starting to look more like Trixie makeup.
A little better, I think. Camera's about to die. Eyeliner. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So now it's lip. I don't have lip liner, but luckily my whole thing is reddish anyways. So I'm just gonna take this lipstick. Dollar Tree lipstick's actually really like smooth.
Like
oh my god, the lashes. This is like my arch nemesis, lashes. I I freaking hate doing lashes. Okay, hold on. I got these like really dramatic ones and I feel like that's fitting, especially for this video. Oh, I can't wait to FaceTime someone. I've always had issues with lashes, so this is what's gonna take forever. I think I just need it enough to where it's on there and that's it.
Did you try to do Trixie?
You could see it's Trixie? Hey, she got it.
To be fair, that does look like fun.
It was
Did you
so
block your
funny.
eyebrows?
Huh?
Did you block your eyebrows?
Yeah, with the glue stick. I hope she picks up.
Hello.
I'm gonna go and I will see you later. Bye.